On Valley News Live, First Alert Weather Days, as we mentioned earlier, are for Sunday. Now we've added because a system that looks to be fast moving could bring a mix of wintry conditions to the valley once again, and a more potent midweek storm. Once again, this would be the third straight week of this wintry nonsense here as we try to make it spring. But I got to tell you, I guess we're just gonna have to enjoy it while we can. We do get a couple of days break here, minus a little bit of a breezy day tomorrow. We'll see on Sunday a Colorado low spin through. Now this is going to be a quick mover, not going to park in the area for 3 or 4 days, and that's going to be a good thing. And some of us may just get rain, depending on the timing and temperatures, which, as we've mentioned, critical. As we go into our Monday morning, this system escapes up into the Arrowhead of Minnesota, bringing rain, and there could be some wind, but not nearly like the wind we've had, the way it looks right now. Then we get a couple days break, and look out. By Tuesday night late, rain, sleet, snow, changing to very windy conditions as we go through the day on Wednesday. This storm system could spend a couple of days parked again in parts of the western Great Lakes, which could leave us with that wind and periods of snow into Thursday as well. So round 2 hits Wednesday and Thursday, really starting late Tuesday again. That's the way it looks now. You know a lot can change. You know our temperatures are very critical, and it takes a while to get all of those things sorted out. Kind of like a Rubik's Cube. Right now we're sorting out this wind where you see the colors right here in the valley and into the Sisseton Hills. We still have gusts to around 40 to 45 miles per hour at times. I don't think we'll completely quiet down. Many of us will contend with winds between 20 and 40 miles per hour during the overnight hours. Temperatures hovering near freezing out to the east and out to the west, and any wet roads, sidewalks, or decks, well, they could become slippery overnight and into the morning. Here's the good news. This system is really starting to fall apart right now. The Iron Range still, thanks to the elevated terrain, squeezing out some snowflakes. But if you take a look, you can see how quiet things are out to the west, and that is where our weather comes from. So we do get to enjoy a little break from the activity, while stormy weather does continue in upstate New York. And as this system slowly exits, we'll continue to see impacts that it will bring for neighbors on the East Coast for a couple of days yet still. North winds, temperatures dipping below freezing, and some patchy fog not out of the question. So we start the day cold, cloudy, and windy with gusts around 30 miles per hour or so. The gusty winds continue, but you notice the clouds start to break. Again, north winds. That will keep things cool. And where we're melting some significant snow, as we showed you the photos that you've shared with us, anywhere from 4 to 10 or 11 inches of snow. It's going to keep your temperatures in Minnesota in the 30s. I do think that in the afternoon we'll have a good shot at 40 to 45 degrees in eastern North Dakota. But windy. Late in the day, a chance for that wind to break, and then that means a chance to quiet things down as we head into your weekend. So yes, we do get a decent weekend day out of the deal. Temperatures below freezing to start, and then we start climbing. It will be windy in the first 3 quarters of the day, so a breezy afternoon. Not as windy as today, gusts upwards of 30 to 35 miles per hour. Full sun, and then the wind finally dies down as we head into your Friday night. 8:06, the time of sunset, and this puppy is doggone happy that we might have a chance to melt a little bit of this snow so we can play some bocce ball out there. Rachel, thanks again for sharing your photo. 47 Saturday, pretty nice, not a lot of wind. There's that Sunday system, First Alert Weather Day. There could be some Monday morning impacts, but it does look like we warm up ahead of the next weather maker, near 50 degrees Monday and Tuesday. And then, yeah, look out. I know, I can feel the foam bricks hopefully hitting the television screens right now. Fists are shaking and the like, but yeah, we'll get through it. But it's been one bumpy road.